Shocking but true, 8 out of 10 businesses don't live to see their 5th birthday. A staggering statistic, isn't it? Well, it doesn't have to be this way. Introducing the book and course, Reset, Rebuild, and Regain, a lifeline for businesses on the brink, and a catapult for those aiming to reach new heights. First, the process begins with a reset. This is where businesses need to unlearn what isn't working and prepare to learn new strategies. It's about cleaning the slate, starting afresh, and embracing a new perspective. Every great comeback starts with a reset. Next, it's time to rebuild. This is where the real work begins. It's about building a strong foundation, creating a robust business model, and developing a vibrant corporate culture. It's about nurturing the roots so the tree can withstand the fiercest storms. Finally, it's all about regaining. Once the business is reset and rebuilt, it's time to regain the market position, regain the customer's trust, and regain the momentum. It's about making a roaring comeback, stronger and more resilient than ever before. Reset, Rebuild, and Regain is not just a book or a course, it's a journey that takes businesses from the brink of failure to the heights of success. It's a journey of transformation, resilience, and triumph. In this book and course, entrepreneurs will discover how to reignite the fire in their businesses, how to show up authentically online, and how to end the year strong by getting the bag and keeping the bag. To sum it up, Reset, Rebuild, and Regain offers a 3-step guide to business success. It begins with a reset, where businesses unlearn what isn't working and learn new strategies. Then it's time to rebuild, creating a strong foundation and a robust business model. Finally, businesses regain their market position, trust, and momentum, making a comeback stronger than ever before. So, are you ready to take the journey? Are you ready to reset, rebuild, and regain? Remember, every great comeback starts with a reset. So, reset today, rebuild tomorrow, and regain forever. Ready for a reset? We're offering a reset consultation for businesses like yours. If you're looking for guidance, support, or just a friendly chat about your journey, we're here to help. Visit bit.ly Reset Consult for more information. Don't wait for tomorrow. Start your reset journey today.